Welcome to StarMind, the place where science, technology, and philosophy merge into one stream of ideas about our future. Today we'll explore the top 5 future professions that could reshape not only the economy, but the very nature of humanity itself. By the year 2100, work will no longer be just a way to earn a living. It will become a tool for creating new realities. Will we be able to preserve the human soul in the age of machines? And how will ethics guide our inventions? Let's dive into 5 professions that could define the next stage of our evolution as a civilization and as a species. Number 5, Nano-medic, a specialist in nanotechnology in medicine. This profession will arise from the need to combat diseases at the molecular level, where nanorobots repair cells like microscopic surgeons. In a world where death may become an option rather than an inevitability, the nanomedic becomes a philosopher of immortality, forcing us to ponder whether eternal life is worth the loss of the natural cycle of life and death. Will we not transform into gods playing with DNA? Number 4, virtual reality architect, a designer of immersive worlds where people live, work, and dream in digital dimensions. He creates not just games, but alternative realities for education, therapy, or even virtual societies. This role challenges our reality. If the virtual world becomes indistinguishable from the physical world, where is the boundary between illusion and truth? Plato, with his allegory of the cave, comes to life. Will we not become prisoners of our own simulations, forgetting the real world? Number 3, AI ethicist, a specialist who develops moral frameworks for AI, ensuring that machines act ethically, without biases or threats to humanity. He combines philosophy, law, and programming. In an era when AI makes decisions about life and death, from autonomous vehicles to medical diagnoses, this professional becomes the guardian of the human soul. It recalls Isaac Asimov's questions about the laws of robotics. Can we endow machines with conscience without losing our own? Will humanity not turn into slaves of its own creations? Number 2, climate restoration specialist, an engineer who manages global projects for terraforming Earth, removing carbon, restoring ecosystems, and adapting cities to changes. This profession is an act of atonement for the sins of the industrial era, where we, as a species, take responsibility for the planet. Philosophically, it's about harmony with nature. Can we become stewards of Earth rather than its exploiters? And is this not a step toward cosmic ethics when we colonize other planets? Number 1, architect of Martian Colonies, a creator of settlements on the Red Planet, combining architecture, biology, and space engineering to build self-sustaining cities. This is the pinnacle of human ambition, expansion beyond Earth, but with a philosophical subtext. Colonizing Mars, we pose questions about our identity as an interplanetary species. Will we not repeat Earth's mistakes, or will we become wiser, creating societies where technology serves harmony? This is about legacy. We build not walls, but bridges to eternity. Friends, these professions are not just jobs, but callings that shape our destiny. They remind us the future depends on how we combine innovations with wisdom. What do you think? Which profession will become yours? Would you add something to this topic? Write in the comments. Your thoughts might inspire the next video. If the deep reflections appeal to you, like it, share with like-minded people, and subscribe to StarMind. We continue to open horizons of the mind. Until next time, and may your imagination guide you to the stars.